There is a difference between needing something and wanting to actually spend money on it. So, for example, car insurance. People know they need car insurance. If you've got a car, you need to have car insurance. But we don't necessarily want to spend money on it. It's not something that we are excited about. Sometimes we have a need, but that need isn't urgent enough for us to want to do something about it right now. So, for example, if you have a laptop that's running a little bit slowly, you know you probably need to replace it, but it's not so urgent that you want to do anything about it today. It's not so urgent that you're going to go and get the problem sorted. And this often happens with our products or services. We have people who have maybe seen a post on social media or maybe visited our website, and they're interested in what we do. They can see how they might need it, they could see how it benefits them, they can see how it could add value, but they don't want to act yet. They don't want to take that next step. So what we need to do in our marketing is not just show people that they need what we offer, but also make them want it. And there are a few different ways that we can do that. One of them is by creating urgency or creating a fear of missing out. What we don't want to do is lie. So we don't want to pretend that there is a limited availability if there's not. But sometimes it will be the case that there is a limited time window or there is a limited amount of availability of a product or service. So, for example, if you are selling tickets to an event, there is a time limit on that because after the events happen, people can't then book it. So we can talk about get your tickets booked now, secure your place. There is only limited places if that's the case. You could have, if you're launching something new, you could have early bird offers. So you'll never get this price again. This is your only opportunity to get it at this price. You could have certain incentives. So book today to get a free gift, or the first 500 people get a special discount, or the first 100 people to book will get this added benefit or this extra gift or this extra incentive. So there's lots of different ways that you can create urgency or a fear of missing out. But we don't always have to do that. There are other ways to make people want what we're selling. So we can use case studies or client feedback to show people the results that they could be getting. There's a reason that personal trainers will often show before and after photos of their clients. It's to say, look, you know, this person got this transformation and you can have it too if you take action, if you decide to work with me, if you stop thinking about it and start actually doing it. You can talk about the problems that you can solve and show them how, if they don't act on fixing that problem today, it's just going to get worse. Or you could talk about how quickly they would get results. So, you know, if you act today, you could have this result within 6 weeks or 12 weeks or 6 months or whatever it might be. So there's lots of different ways that we can make people want to act now. Another great way of doing this is removing the risk. So what is the barrier that is stopping people from acting straight away? Quite often, the reason that people don't want to make a decision is because they're worried about making a bad decision. None of us want to waste money. None of us want to buy something and then it not be what we expected. So we can eliminate those barriers by removing the risk. So money back guarantees, free trials, try before you buy, offering a sample product or a taster product for a lower cost, offering a free demonstration. A lot of people do free discovery calls. Just removing that risk from people so that they don't feel like taking action is a huge commitment of time or money. So really think about how you can make people want to act straight away. How can you incentivize them to take action straight away? Or how can you remove the risk so that they aren't worried about making the wrong decision? So we need to show people why they need what we want, get them interested in it, but then make them actually want to buy it, actually want to take that action and move to the next step. If you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or sign up to my weekly email at makeyourcopycount.com.